Today I'm going to talk about installing a hardwired smoke detector. Over here are all the tools and the type of smoke detector that we're going to use as a kitty. A remodel box, 15 amp breaker, 14 2-wire, screwdriver, utility knife, wire cutters, wire strippers, and a hammer, and some drywall screws. When you go to do this, you usually want to open up the panel. If you don't feel comfortable, you can flip the breaker, like I usually do it live. Okay, we'll get started by installing the remodel box. So let's stick this in the hammer. Find an area right below the beam. Tap it in. It's at least in place. Knock out one of the holes in the back. The wire to go through. Something you're going to want to add before you put the wire through the box is a cable connector. It locks the wire in place, and codes officers will be looking for this if it's not on. Already pre-drilled some holes for the beam. If you can find some holes, that's great. If not, you always want to make sure you have some space. Don't pinch them. Find some empty space, you can pull in the front. Through. And grab your breaker, find an opening it's available, pop it right in there, make sure it stays off. Here, it's kind of match up what they already have in the box, so you want to come behind the wiring so it stays clean. The neutral, white, and ground, which is the only bare one, always going to the bar on the right hand side. So you want to find an opening for each of those. So I'm going to come down here, there's a couple here, they're open, and do it pretty clean, so you want to do a nice little bend to it so it comes over. And grab your snips. Go a little longer than you need to. Grab your strippers. Open up with your screwdriver. Make sure you get it nice and snug. finally go ahead and do your hot. The black wire that's left. So they kind of did a fancy bow here. Nice and slick. Pulling it, make sure it's real tight in there. And that part's done. Wire harness and the plate. Match up the plate in the right setting. There's that setting there. We'll open this up a little bit more. Give it a turn. And strip these wires. Grab a couple wire nuts and just match up colors. Finally, you're ready for the smoke detector to go in. Just pop the battery right in. Go up, plug it in. And now it'll activate it once you turn it, and then go ahead and come over here. Flip the breaker, and we're good to go once you see the green light. Alright, so that's how you install a Hardwire smoke detector. All you have left then is putting the panel front back on. You have to pop out a space. This one's gonna be right here. Just pop it right out and label it for Hardwire smoke detector so it's on its own breaker.